Now, 2 days before the nationwide lockdown is scheduled to end, Haryana government has taken the tough decision to seal its borders from Delhi. Gurugram administration issued orders barring cross-border movement except for essential commodities vehicles, ambulances and central government officials. The fresh curbs which came into force today morning is done to contain the spread of coronavirus. There are over 57 cases of COVID-19 cases in Gurugram, 300 cases of COVID-19 in Haryana and 3 deaths that have been reported so far from there.
ऑयल सिलेंडर गैस की सप्लाईज हैं, एसेंशियल सप्लाईज, अनाज, फूड ग्रेन्स, वेजिटेबल्स, फ्रूट्स, ये सब चीज़ों को नहीं रोका जाएगा। और इसके अलावा कुछ सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट की कुछ मिनिस्ट्रीज हैं, उसके ऑफिसर्स एंड एम्प्लॉयज़ को भी इसमें छूट दी गई है। उनकी इंटर डिस्ट्रिक्ट मूवमेंट अलाउ की गई है। जो भी यहाँ बॉर्डर क्रॉस करेगा उसे आरोग्य सेतु ऐप को डाउनलोड करना अनिवार्य है और इसके अलावा थर्मल स्कैनिंग भी उनकी की जाएगी और रैपिड टेस्ट का भी अरेंजमेंट अभी यहाँ पे किया जाएगा। वीडियोग्राफी भी 24 घंटे इस नाके पे की जाएगी।
Well, here we're looking at these areas where 2 days before the nationwide lockdown is scheduled to end, Haryana government has taken tough decision to seal the borders with Delhi. Gurugram administration issues orders barring cross-border movement except for essential commodities vehicles, ambulances and central government offices. Anisha Mathur for more on this. Anisha, Delhi-Gurugram border now sealed. We hear how reports coming in that many of them having connection with Delhi or coming from Delhi to these areas are bringing with them the infection. After Delhi-Noida border, we're looking at Delhi-Gurugram as well, borders completely sealed.
Well, yes, the Delhi-Gurgaon border, we're at the Sikandarpur border between Delhi and Gurgaon. And since the morning, people were allowed to enter, but they were warned that they should, as far as possible, try and find accommodation near their place of work. And now, post 10:30, a lot of people who do not have the essential services pass out or are not central government workers are being turned back from the border itself. Remember, the movement passes that have been issued by the Delhi government or by the police of various states is also not being accepted by the Gurgaon police because they're saying that these movement passes were issued earlier. Now fresh passes will have to be taken, and as far as possible people are being asked that if you live in Gurgaon and work in Delhi or live in Delhi and work in Gurgaon, try and find accommodation closer to your workspace so that you do not have to repeatedly cross the border. So a lot of people around here, we've seen bank workers, we've seen doctors, we've seen employees of smaller shops and stores who have been requesting the police to let them go to their place of work. They've been making calls since the morning. We've been here since 9 a.m. and people who have been stopped at the border are either making calls to their office saying that we're not coming to work today or please arrange for a pass for us. All of these complications are happening today, but at this border at least the police is saying that today we will let you go, but from tomorrow please do not cross the border. Back to you.
Thank you very much, Anisha, for joining us with those details. Remember, Delhi-Gurgaon border has been sealed.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.